What are stablecoins? You are well versed with the fact that cryptocurrency market is extremely volatile. यानी कि it fluctuates and keeps going up and down. इससे ये काफी डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है to figure out कि किस करेंसी में इन्वेस्ट किया जाए और किस में नहीं. There is a solution to this problem. Stablecoins, and we'll learn about them in today's lesson. So, what exactly are these stable coins? The concept of stable coins is that they are digital currencies that are backed by assets such as fiat currency, other cryptocurrencies, or gold. The assets basically in coins को less susceptible बनाते हैं towards fluctuation, जिससे उनके prices stable रहते हैं और इस पूरे प्रोसेस का बाय प्रोडक्ट है मार्केट स्टेबिलिटी. It wouldn't be wrong to consider stable coins as a form of digital cash जिसे आप easily trade कर सकते हैं. So, how do stable coins exactly work? Let us look into two major concepts. First, the value of stable coins is related to a different asset, और ये इसीलिए किया जाता है ताकि मार्केट प्राइस वोलेटिलिटी थोड़ी कम हो. And investors can see that the stable coin tracks the price of a different asset and it aims to reduce the volatility that exists within the crypto markets. इसका मतलब ये है कि, for example, you have a stable coin that is pegged to the US dollar, then the coin's value should be as the US dollar. So if you buy $100 worth of stable coin, then you should be getting it for the value of $100. And irrespective of how the market reacts, then the stable coin retains the value of the asset that has been pegged to it. इस बात को भी ध्यान में रखें कि stable coins enable you to move at the speed of cryptocurrency, ना कि fiat. और यही मेन रीजन है स्टेबल कॉइन्स की एग्जिस्टेंस का. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपको क्रिप्टो एक्सचेंज में कोई ट्रेड करना है एंड आपके पास इंडियन रुपीज हैं, देन यू विल हैव टू वेट टू कन्वर्ट दैट इनटू फिएट करेंसी. फॉर इंस्टेंस, इफ यू एक्चुअली वांट टू प्लेस अ ट्रेड इन अ क्रिप्टो करेंसी एक्सचेंज एंड यू ओनली हैव US dollars, you have to wait to convert those US dollars. In cryptocurrency, it is fiat currency for you. And अगर आपके पास stable coin है, then we can avoid this step. आप simply उसे spend कर सकते हैं या stable coins use करके trade कर सकते हैं from the stable coin into the currency you want to trade into. इससे आपका टाइम बचेगा in converting your fiat currency into cryptocurrency and then use stable coin करने में which basically holds the value for you to trade in. दूसरा key point that you need to keep in mind about them is that stable coins are regulated. जिसका मतलब है कि there is a third party जो इन्हें create और regulate करती है. मतलब जो flexibility या freedom आपको unregulated, decentralized क्रिप्टोकरेंसी में मिलता है, जैसे कि बिटकॉइन में, जिसमें आप बिटकॉइन को किसी को भी दे सकते हैं अराउंड द वर्ल्ड, दैट ऑप्शन इज नॉट अवेलेबल इन स्टेबल कॉइन्स बिकॉज समवन एल्स इज सेटिंग द रूल्स एंड कंट्रोल्स द स्टेबल कॉइन्स. इन फैक्ट, अगर वो चाहें तो आपके सारे स्टेबल कॉइन्स आपसे forfeit करवा सकते हैं if they think आप कुछ ऐसा कर रहे हो which is not in their interest. Now that we know what a stable coin is, let's talk about some of the most popular stable coins available to users. Let's start with Tether. This stable coin was initially launched in 2014 as real coin. And one Tether is said to always be worth $1. Plus, its supply is only limited by claimed dollar reserves. Being the largest stablecoin, Tether has felt pressure to compile regular reports about its reserve to prove that it can maintain its peg to the dollar. In fact, most of the movement in terms of stablecoin happens in Tether itself. Halaki, it has come under a lot of scrutiny lately because a lot of people claim कि its actual value may not be pegged exactly to a US dollar. इसकी वैल्यू भी काफी अप एंड डाउन होती रहती है. इसकी वजह से even though this is not the most stable, लेकिन फिर भी it is widely considered valid in terms of stable coins right now. Next we have USDC. इसकी सप्लाई लिमिटेड है अगेन बाय द डॉलर रिजर्व्स. इन्होंने बहुत क्लोजली काम किया है with Coinbase and they claim to have achieved regulatory compliance. The USD coin is accepted by most large exchanges. Besides increasing usage in decentralized finance, D-apps and gaming. And this is actually a US dollar pegged stable coin. जिसका मतलब है, for example, if you buy $1,000 worth of USD, then you have the equivalent in stable coins worth $1,000 जिसे आप ट्रेड कर सकते हो. इसके अलावा there are other popular choices such as Gemini and True USD and both are pegged to the US dollar. Besides these, there are stable coins which aren't pegged by US dollars but to some other currency जैसे कि yuan or some form of asset like gold or oil. What you need to also understand is that it's not like that the stable coins do not fluctuate. So there is no guarantee that if you have $500 worth of stable coin, then its price may not go down. It very well can. And there is no guarantee that you will get the exact amount. A certain level of risk associated with that asset is given in all cases. So if you are investing in a stable coin, you do run the risk that goes with buying a different kind of asset. A stable coin like cryptocurrencies can go down dramatically. Also, तो ये मत भूलें before you make any investment. So, the lesson for today is that you need to pay attention and actually look at what you are getting into, because no matter the investment, it will always carry a certain level of risk.